Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to merge photos or create a collage on Android. So let's get started. First, open your gallery and long press any photo to select multiple images. Once you have selected your photos, you'll see some options appear. These options may vary depending on your device model, manufacturer, or Android version. I'll show you the process on another phone in a moment. On my phone, I see an option called collage at the bottom, so I'll tap on that. Now I can choose from different styles, and once I'm happy with the layout, I'll tap done to export it. After a few seconds of processing, you'll see the photos merged into a single image. Now let's try this on another phone. I'll follow the same steps. Long press a photo, select multiple images, and then tap on the three dots in the top right corner. From there, I'll select collage. Choose a style, and once I'm satisfied, I'll tap save to merge the images. If your phone doesn't have this built-in feature, you can always try third-party apps from the Google Play Store to create collages easily. And that's it. That's how you merge photos in Android. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.